All right, y'all, here's part 2. I'm back. I'm finishing questions 9 and 10 with you on your distance formula or distance on a coordinate plane homework. All right, so number 9, it says Jim left his house and drove to the bank. On his way back home, Jim's wife called when he was exactly halfway home. I don't know why my camera's not working. Freeze. Oh, hey, there it is. Unfreeze. Okay, back in business. So again, it says Jim's wife called when he was exactly halfway home. So that's important. How many total miles had Jim traveled when his wife called? So he went to the grocery store and halfway back. So plus halfway. So we need to know how far it was from the grocery store to his house. So here's Jim's house in the grocery store. If I go down and over, diagonal. So I need to count the diagonal, or I need to calculate the diagonal by counting these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the short leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 is the long leg. So that's what? 5, 2, 17. Okay, so for number 9, I'm just going to show my work over here on the side. I'm going to have 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. That's the distance to the grocery store. So that's 25 plus 144 equals c squared. Then I'm going to radical both sides, but don't forget to multiply by 3/4 after you get a distance there. And then cut that in half. So I'm going to radical 25 plus 144. Then I'm going to multiply it by 0.75. Then I'm going to add that to radical 25 plus 144 times 0.75 divided by 2. And then that'll be my total distance. I know that's a lot. If you need a calculator, go to Desmos.com. And use that calculator there. There's also a square root calculator on Photomath, but you can't Photomath the question. All right. Remember, you're adding those 2 answers here. And then number 10, Jim is hoping that a park will be built within 5 miles of his house. If a park is built at the coordinates 12, 10, does that meet Jim's criteria? Explain. You don't have to explain in Skyward. So let's go to 12, 10. We're going to run 12 and jump 10. Boom, here we are. And then here's Jim's house. So I'm going to calculate the short side squared, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long side squared, and then I'm going to find the square root of that.
Route 80, your bus is here. Route 80,
3 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. Once I calculate this, remember, this needs to be multiplied by 75 hundredths, because I need to know if that is or is not, once I find C, is or is not within 5 miles of Jim's house. All right, good luck. May the force be with you, and happy Valentine's Day.